have just purchased this beautiful oncidium orchid and it is super interesting. The blooms are very small. You can see I think they are about 4 centimeters in diameter, let's say, and the yellow on the lip, it is very bright. It is a golden yellow, and the sepals and petals have a very dark maroon color with a little bit of yellow again. And here inside the lip we also have a bit of dark reddish color, let's say. So she's very beautiful. Now I am sure this is not oncidium dancing lady, because the pseudobulbs are not like that at all. These pseudobulbs are quite tall, you can see, and they have ridges, and the orchid is not dehydrated at all. This is the normal look of the pseudobulbs, so that is quite interesting. This is the first time this orchid blooms, and you can see she is very healthy. She has thick roots, a lot of them, and the spikes emerge when the pseudobulb is not yet fully mature, so that is quite nice. I don't know what else to show you. I was hoping you could actually find out an ID of this orchid for me. I have tried to find it, but I didn't really find any conclusive result on Google, so I'm not sure what to say. She is mildly fragrant. I think she smells a little bit like honey, but I will see more tomorrow when she gets more sun. I found it at Carrefour in Romania, and it was not expensive at all. I paid about 8 euros for it, but they had a very nice batch of orchids. They had amazing orchids. I even found some very rare ones there. Of course I didn't purchase them because those were a bit more expensive, but this one was really cheap. I really love the look of the pseudobulbs, and that she is so healthy. She's absolutely full of fruits here inside the pot. Not sure I can really show you this, but she does have a lot of them. Now I am not really sure she is for a lot of time in this pot, because the medium is very fresh. I can smell it. It smells like fresh bark. I really wanted a yellow oncidium. I don't have the dancing lady anymore, and this one was very nice. I don't think this will get very huge, so it is a medium-sized oncidium, and I believe it is a species, or that is what I hope, at least. So yeah guys, let me know in the comment section below if you have this orchid, if you have ever seen it for sale anywhere, so I can check its ID. I think Roger bought one of these orchids at an orchid show last year, but I really tried to find that video and I couldn't. So Roger, if you are watching this video, please leave me a comment down below with the ID of yours, so I can check the details to see if it's the same one. Alrighty guys, thank you very much for watching. See you all next time. Bye.